like to welcome everyone to this exciting occasion. To our honorable guests, administrators, members of the faculty, our beloved parents, friends, fellow students, my mother and good afternoon. It has been a year, but we are ready to recognize we worked hard to get to this point, but we did not do it for ourselves. We owe a huge debt of gratitude to the following special people. Let me begin thanking our teachers. Thank you for always being there. We have brought you much pain, frustrations, and even days. Thank you for unselfishly sharing your talent, and knowledge with us. You took the time to explain assignments, sometimes repeatedly because we weren't paying attention. Yes, we know it was your job to do it, but most of the time that you did for us, then we got the all of duty. To our beloved parents and family, you deserve to share every honor we receive today. Thank you for supporting us in more ways than is possible to count. You put us out of bed each morning, made sure we were fed and felt for school. You helped us with homework, keep our place, attended the sporting events, and chaperoned us in our classes, as well as in our field trips. These are just a few of the thousands of ways you have supported us in our journey. You have all given much to this day, and we hope that in some way we have made you proud. To our custodial staff and the maintenance personnel, thank you for keeping our school clean and safe. You actually deserve some kind of medal. The silent presence and love will always make you a part of our memory. To our principal, assistant principal, guidance counselor, and all office staff, thank you for providing us a conducive learning environment and for keeping things running smoothly. To our teachers who concentrate on us. To our classmates, our schoolmates, our friends, you have colored this journey with laughter, faith, joy, and confidence. Time has come and gone quickly, and it's a blessing that we have shared a few of the most memorable years of life together. These stars shall remain strong forever in life making us. And to our Almighty God, the beginning and end of all things, you only stand here today because you called us to enter and guided us on our way. Thank you for the blessings and the opportunities. All the glory is over back to your name. Lastly, no matter where we go or what we do, there are challenges ahead of us. But I'm asking from each of you and from myself is to meet those challenges face or leave your head held high and your heart wide open as you are going to leave your beloved school. Congratulations, thank you and God bless.